Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, August the 23rd, 2024, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and binary. And it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. The Jigsaw Sudoku number 9145. Before I start, I always count up printed digits, 15 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one's 15. Don't think it's a 4 stars, but you cannot tell. It's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Only one single box. Always a one. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? I see here one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these two boxes can be 3, so one box now for the 3. In this triple box should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright, more triple boxes. Nope. How about quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes here. No quadra boxes here. Well, not true. We have one quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. So 2 numbers left in this L shape quadra box for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. Next. Yeah. My following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. More T shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Upside down. We have the L shape here. Upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. L shape. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see the L shape, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, 1 number left, number 5. Okay. Then let me see. 1, 3, 4. Let me see. well, let me see. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then, well, these two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Not a pair in this area. And numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And then need a 1, could be everywhere. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. You have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Yeah, give me 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be in. And 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 3 then. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. And here I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 and the 5. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 2 and 5. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Well. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Let me think. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this Z construction should be here. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. And this box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. Well. Come on. Two. Come on. 2, 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. Well. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 1 and 4. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. thinking. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. Here, 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2 are left here. Okay. Need also 1 and a 2 here. Well, this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. But also that box can be a 5. We have a 5 over here. 1 box left for the 5 in this Z construction should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 here. So the 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. And is also connected with this box, should be also a 4. Alright, this box can be a 5. That box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left for numbers 2. And the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, I think this box should be a 2. Because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 or 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2. 1 or 2, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. 1 or 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2, and the only place left for 2, yeah, should be here then. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, solve it again. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.